Father God, I come before you now, when my heart is heavy with the cares of life, when I cannot see the road that lies ahead. I know that you are near and watching over me.
You alone can hear the cry within my heart, and you know every burden that I carry. So I will not carry all these things alone. On my knees I lift my voice to you. Father God, hear my prayer. You know every worry deep inside my heart. I come to you with every burden that I carry.